These mechanics were checking a car after the owner reported strange noises coming from under the hood. They popped it open and were completely shocked. But first, if you think Animal is incredible, like and subscribe. If you don't like and subscribe, that means you want this poor animal to lose its home. Comment a heart if you care about wild animals. So what did they find? A wild raccoon had made a nest and was living inside the engine. Thankfully, the mechanics made sure it was removed safely and the car back on the road.